Hello, this is a quick video to show how to connect KVM QEMU virtual machine to an interface on the host machine. So this is my host machine right now, and this is the interface that my host is connected to, and I want my VM to be also connected to that interface. So if I go to my virtual machine here, this is Virt Manager. If I go to the VM, to my VM setting, network setting, you can see by default it uses the network address translation source NAT for the as the default network. And if I go in my virtual machine and print the IP address, you can see that the IP address, the subnet for this IP address is different than the one on my host. To start things, basically I went to the Arch wiki and search for how to create a bridge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a network bridge and give that bridge a port or slave interface, which is gonna be this interface, and then connect my host and my VM to that bridge, and each basically will have its own IP address, and they're gonna be on the same subnet. So we can start by creating the bridge here. So I'm using the Network Manager CLI. There's a different way to create bridges on Linux, but this is what worked for me the easiest. So this is what's going to happen here. We're going to create a new device named PR0, which is basically the bridge. If I do Network Manager CLI connection show, I'm not sure, so I want to show all the devices. You can see this is the bridges we just created, and right now we need to give that bridge a port or slave. This is the command to do so. We just need to change the interface to the one that we have here, or whatever your interface is. So right now the bridge is using this interface, and if I do the same command again to show the devices, and this is the slave that we just created. Next we need to bring the current connection down, which is done using this command. um, so my connection is done right now, and then we need to bring the bridge up, and the bridge slave as well. This is how to bring the bridge up. Let me copy the other command, and we need to change the interface to match what you have. Right. So right now my host is connected to the bridge, and I can verify that by showing the IP address. This is the IP address for the bridge. It uses the same IP address as the interface before, and if I do IP route, I can show the default route that my system is using. Also here we're gonna use the bridge as the default route. So this is done from the host side, and now we can go to Virt Manager, and we can go to the VM setting, the NIC setting, and change this to bridge device. And for the device name, if you type this command, which is the show connections, you can find the device name here. So that's what I'll be using here, and that's about it. Basically, you apply, you go to the VM, you reboot it. Just give it a second. here now. Now we are using the same subnet as we're using on the host. This is the exact same subnet. All right. And if I go to the setting here, to the VM, yeah, you're still using the bridge. All right. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show. Thank you for watching.